Hello guys, I'm Texiwi, also known as Kelvin Fodro, and today that's on my first shopping on KiKUU, so I want to share it with you using my phone. I've had the experience shopping on KiKUU, but my goods or my stuffs are not yet in. But with the tracing of my goods, one is in. I want to share it with you guys. Let's get started. Please, if you don't have this KiKUU app on your phone, please can download it from Play Store or App Store on any device using your phone. You can also log into the KiKUU website using www.kikuu.com. If you are in any country, just add I'm in Ghana, so I'll just add .dgh. So let's get started. Let me open my KiKUU app. There's it. KiKUU Online Shop more. Let's wait. You see, there's now loading. It is because of my network. It is really running slow. So this is how the KiKUU platform is. See, you see, I'm in Ghana, so the capital of my country is Accra. See, in Accra, new arrivals. So let's get started. Let's go to my profile. Go. You see, this is my profile picture, my number. I'm from Ghana, and I verified with 2 numbers and my Gmail account and my nickname, my age, my gender, all is here. And if any friend invited you to this platform or this KiKUU app, you can also enter the person's code here, which I'll be leaving a link under the video. So if you are very interested in this KiKUU shopping, so just click on my link and just join the family. I ordered for something, so let's see. I ordered for a tripod, phone stand, and phone Bluetooth wireless remote control. All is here. And I ordered, let me see, let's wait for a minute. It's just because of my network. It's too slow. So here am I. Says shopping and my express code number, which is the number which was given to me when I ordered for the item. So in China, the product was in China. So let me tell you the product. You see, it is still in China. It's still in China, but I have 50% sure I'm gonna get my item by the end of February to March, which is not the end of March. By 10th March I'll have my product. So let's check the next product. So this one too, you see the express number, and it is now in Ghana. Wow, really? At first it was in China. Let me see, I've not really checked. Wow, amazing. My product is now in, as I said. You see, order shipped now is sent to transport center, and this Chinese name, I can't really mention it. So went to the warehouse, went to the airport. Now center of Ghana. Center of Ghana. So now they are sending it to the station warehouse, which is near me. I mean, Ghana Central region, Kaswa. So our near pickup shop is at Wija after the Wija toll booth. So by next week I'll be receiving my products. So let's here I ordered my products on 26th January 2001. It was around, let's see, 7:23. And I made a payment on just that day, which was 15 cedis, 93 pesos, which is in the cedis. And you can also chat them. You can also leave a message, say my order has been confirmed. So let's check the another one here to this. I bought the item for 63 cedis, 70 pesos, which is really not really expensive. And I ordered for this product on 29th January 2021 11:31 a.m., which was in the morning. I really remember it. It was in the morning. With this product, it is now in Ghana, so I'll be receiving it in just a few days. When I receive this product, I'll make sure I provide a video for you guys to also have experience with it. So you can also give feedback. Oh, let's see. You can. This is my wish list, which some products I wish to buy them. But my next item which I'll be buying is this camera, which I'll be using for my YouTube videos. So if you are so interested in this YouTube stuffs, you can help me purchase this, or you can purchase it for me or buy it for me. I'll really like it. So, and also, so you can also create a, let's see, KP, which is KiKUU Pay. Here I've not deposited any money in because I'm broke. So let's come here and let's order something. But I don't have money. Let me show you how to order something. Let's see. Okay, I wanted to order for a drone, but now I'm broke, as I told you guys. As you are here, and you must also, if you want to receive your product at home, to just bring it for like delivery, so we can input your location. Also, if you want to pick it at a nearest pick up station, so you can also do that. And let's see here, you can use MTN mobile money or any money transfer which will be suitable for you. So let's see, you see Vodafone Cash, KiKUU Pay, MTN mobile money, Airtel money, pay later. See, all this is great. The first one I ordered with Vodafone Cash. You see, here you just wait for a code. which you will I'll show you that later. So this is how to just order something. So the code you enter it here, just press pay to pay your product. So let's get back, let me show you how to do it. I'm using Vodafone, so excellent network. That's how to come here, make payments. All the network procedure is the same. Here, generate, come to number 4. Come here, just generate your code. And here I must enter my PA or my PIN, which is not good to show it to people, so I'll just skip it. Guys, if you see here, the code is in, it is 359557, which you will enter. Let's see here. Thanks for watching my video. I'll be waiting for you guys in the next video when I receive my first product and share this experience with you guys. Don't just wait, please shop online and stop buying products from places which your money won't be brought back to you, and also your products. Thank you.